This is the best meat in the world. So it was raining in China today, so I did what any normal person would do to get some good content. I took a plane, flew over to Saudi Arabia, and the first place we hit was this amazing train station where we got access to a lounge for breakfast. It was full of desserts, biscuits, cookies, small bites, coffee, tea, and all this sorts. Perfect breakfast. Then we got onto the train, which, as you can see, they spared no expense. Amazing seats, and they gave us complimentary food and drinks as well. It felt like a business class flight. Then we went to our hotel, where, let me tell you something, I did not at all expect it to look like this. I paid $40 a night. I did not expect this bang for my buck. It was amazing on the inside out. The service was beyond 5 stars. Honestly, the hotel was the highlight of the trip. Then a local friend invited me to dinner where he said we're going to get some barbecue. I also did not expect how much of a show they make out of the barbecue. This guy looks like he's taking it a little bit personal with my brisket. But anyway, results were amazing. As you can see, the meat is falling off the bone. Yes, that's cliche, but it's just falling off the bone. And now I'm gonna shut up and let you take a look at this beautiful piece of meat and be very jealous that I got to eat it.